to all grade 11 TVL Home Economics Cookery students. I am teacher May and Español, your teacher in your specialization subject, cookery. Today's lesson is about the basic components of a sandwich, in which you are expected to achieve the following competencies. First, identify ingredients according to the given recipe. Second, identify sandwich components. Third, identify bread suited for sandwich making. And fourth, identify suitable fillings and spreads. So find a comfortable place where you can properly listen and study. Get ready your notebook and pen, and be ready to jot down the key points in our lesson. First, let's define what is sandwich. Sandwich refers to a food item made with two or more slices of bread with fillings between them and is eaten as a light food. A widely popular and convenient lunchtime food, quickly made and served, and adaptable to many variations that it satisfies nearly every taste and nutrition requirement. In preparing sandwiches, it is necessary to recognize and be familiar with the basic components of sandwiches and ingredients classification according to the uses. It is essential because it will enable you to perform the correct way of preparing healthful, delicious, and aesthetically appealing sandwiches. Now, let us discuss the basic components of a sandwich. There are three. The first one is the structure, also known as the base. Second is the moistening agent, and the third is the filling. We will go through each one by one. The structure or the base. It is the part upon which the ingredients are placed or in which they are wrapped. The base acts as the carrier of the other ingredients and must be sturdy enough to hold the ingredients without becoming limp or broken. In most cases, this consists of some form of bread or dough product that is whole or sliced. The secret to a good sandwich begins with a good bread. The type of bread used has a significant impact on the final product. The quality of the bread may be of more importance to the final product than the quality of the filling. For example, you have pieces of white bread. One is a leftover from what you purchased 5 days ago, and the other is freshly baked. You will add the same spread and fillings on both. Like for example, mayonnaise, lettuce, ham, cheese, and tomato. Now, which do you think will be tastier? Of course, the one with the freshly baked bread, because a leftover bread has already dried up. There are different types of bread used in making sandwiches. First, we have yeast bread. Yeast breads are made with yeast. Combining warm water and sugar with yeast causes the yeast to multiply and release carbon dioxide, which when mixed with dry ingredients creates a soft loaf bread. And loaf bread is the most commonly used bread for sandwiches. Here are the different kinds of loaf bread. Number 1, white bread. These are long rectangular loaves that provide square slices. It is one of the most versatile sandwich bread. It comes in various flavors and goes well with everything and toasts nicely. Number 2, whole wheat bread. It is a classic bread for sandwiches. It is nutritionally superior to white bread, tastes better, and have more interesting texture. It is slightly more compact and brownish in color. Number 3 is the rye bread, a strong tasting bread than white and whole wheat bread. A heavy and hearty flavor bread that goes with so many types of meat and condiments. The second type of bread is buns and rolls. This includes the following. Number 1, sandwich rolls. A soft type bread that comes in all sizes, shapes, and textures. The softest included hamburger buns and hot dog rolls. Number 2, French and Italian bread. This includes sourdough and ciabatta split horizontally. It works well for grilled sandwiches. The third type of bread is the flatbread. This is made from flattened or unleavened breads. This includes the following. Number 1 is the pita. Pita comes in both white and whole wheat. As the flatbread bakes, it puffs up, forming a pocket that is perfect for stuffing. Number 2, we have the focaccia. It is a flat Italian bread, a cousin of pizza, an inch or more thick and very rich in olive oil. It is sold by whole and cut into squares, split and filled. Number 3 is the lavash. It is small and rectangular. When softened in water, it can be rolled around the stuffing to make a pinwheel-shaped sandwich. Number 4, tortillas. Unleavened round cornmeal breads baked on a hot stone. Sizes ranges to 6 inches to 14 inches or larger, preferably used for quesadillas and burritos. And number 5, sandwich wraps. It's either whole wheat or spinach flavored. The fourth type of bread is the quick bread. This bread is raised by the chemical action of baking powder or baking soda, like biscuits, banana bread, carrot bread, and generally more tender and crumbly than yeast bread. It is used for sweeter tasting sandwiches and are best for tea sandwiches. Now, let's proceed with the second component of sandwich, which is the moistening agent, or also known as spread. Moistening agent or spread is meant to bind the sandwich, providing and improving both flavor and texture. It acts as a protective layer between the filling and the structure, for it prevents the filling from becoming too soft or wetting the bread. Butter and mayonnaise are the most commonly used spreads. Let us now discuss the third component of a sandwich, the filling. It is the heart of the sandwich. It could be one or more ingredients that are stuffed, layered or folded within or on the structure to form the sandwich. It provides flavor and body to the sandwich. There are 2 types of fillings. Number 1 is the dry fillings. This refers to ingredients such as sliced or cooked meat, poultry, and cheese. Number 2, moist fillings. This refers to ingredients mixed with salad dressing or mayonnaise. Dry fillings includes meat and poultry. Meats used as fillings should be cooked, covered, and refrigerated. Meat must be sliced just before the sandwich is to be prepared to avoid drying out and lose flavor. Thinly sliced meats are more tender and juicy than thickly sliced. Here are the different meats and poultry that can be used as fillings in sandwich. Number 1, beef products. This includes sliced roast beef, hamburger patties, steaks, and corned beef. Number 2, pork products. These are roast pork, barbecue pork, ham, and bacon. Number 3, poultry. This includes turkey breast and chicken breast. Number 4, sausage products. These are salami, frankfurters, bologna, liverwurst, luncheon meats, grilled sausages. Another dry filling that we have is the cheese. This includes cheddar types, Swiss types, provolone, cream cheese, processed cheese, and cheese spreads. Another type of dry ingredients is fish and shellfish. We have tuna, sardines, smoked salmon, shrimp, anchovies, fried fish, grilled or pan-fried fish fillet. Now, here are the vegetable items that can also be used as fillings for sandwich. We have lettuce, tomato, and onion. These are indispensable in sandwich production. Also, any vegetable used in salads may also be used in sandwiches. We also have miscellaneous ingredients. This includes fruits, fresh or dried, jelly, peanut butter, cooked egg, and nuts. Before we end our lesson, let me share this wonderful quote that I found on the internet. It says, "Life is like a sandwich. You have to fill it with the best ingredients." And that ends our discussion about the basic components of a sandwich. I hope you enjoyed and learned a lot. You may now start answering the activities provided in your modules. If you have any questions about the topic, feel free to contact me through text message or through our class group chat. Till next time, stay safe and God bless.